The long vowel sounds are probably the most difficult sounds for your learners to master. So please be patient and make sure that you know these sounds really well. The long vowels sound just like the name of the letter: A, E, I, O, and U. Of course, because this is English and nothing is simple, these sounds can all be written in a number of different ways.
Listen carefully to the following long vowel sounds. We will start with the long A sound. This can be represented in 3 different ways. The A with the silent E. Words like this include bake, make, and take. The AI. Words include snail, male, and tail. Words that end in AY, like tray, day, and may. Next, let's work with the long E sound. This can be represented in 4 different ways. The first is the EA. This is in words such as beach, each, and reach. The next way is the EE. This is in words such as tree and bee. Next is the EY. This can be found in words like key, money, and donkey. The next is the Y at the end of the word. This can be seen in pony, bunny, and funny. The long I sound can be shown in 4 different ways. The IE, as in words like tie, pie, and die. It can also be represented with an I and the silent E in words such as kite, bite, and like. It can also be seen as an IGH in words such as light, fright, and bright. It can also be a Y at the end of a word, like my, fly, and dry. The long O sound can be written in 3 ways. The O with the silent E, as in words such as hose, close, and nose. It can be represented with an O and an A, as in boat, float, and coach. It can be represented with an OW, such as flow, bow, and blow. Finally, let's work with the long U sound. This can be represented in 4 ways. It can be represented with just the letter U, as in unicorn, union, and music. It can be represented with the U and the silent E, as in words such as muse, use, and cube. It can be represented with a U and an E, as in words such as sue, argue, and value. It can also be represented with the E and the W, such as in few, new, and due.